In this guide, I'll guide you step by step through how to download Adobe After Effects for free on your PC or Mac. Let's get started. Click the link in the description box below this video. That link will take you straight to Adobe's official After Effects page, the safest and most reliable place to download the software. Once you're on the page, click Start Free Trial. You'll be prompted to choose a plan: individual, business, or student teacher. For this walkthrough, we'll select the business plan, which provides access to the full 14-day free trial of After Effects. You can also enable a 7-day trial of Adobe stock, which gives you 10 premium assets to download and keep. After making your selections, click Continue to move ahead. Next, enter your email address and fill out the short form with your basic details and payment information. Adobe won't charge you during the trial period as long as you cancel before it ends. After reviewing everything, click Agree and Subscribe. You'll then be asked to create a secure password for your new Adobe account. Once that's done, Adobe will prompt you to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Go ahead and install it, then sign in using the same email and password you just set up. Inside the Creative Cloud app, open the Apps tab, search for After Effects, and click Install. The program will begin downloading automatically, and once it's finished, it'll be ready to launch and use right away. And that's it. You now have the full version of Adobe After Effects installed and running on your computer. You can start exploring its motion graphics, visual effects, and animation tools throughout your free trial period. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to use the link in the description to download After Effects directly from Adobe and support our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.